Hey, Maggie. Bless you. Go on. Up on the sofa. Up. Sit down. Go on, have you and your Minnie Mouse Sum thing. Yeah. Just look at that face. Right, I'm going out. Stay right there. I'm going to Pets at Home. Let's go. Oh, what a prick. Oh, he's brilliant. Right, I've got something to tell you guys. Let's turn that off. Yesterday, I was driving home from work. I was going along the road, 60-mile-an-hour road, and out of nowhere came this football. Come flying out of this back garden or whatever it was. Hit the front of my car and knocked off my new plasti dipped light trim. So, I'll show you where it come off. So it knocked that trim off there, and the ball scuffed there, as you can see. I can't get that off, so I'm gonna have to polish that and re-wax that. But the ball came across there and took that off. So I took this side off as well because I want to redo them both. I managed to go back and find the missing part. I will put a snippet from the dash cam. You can see the ball coming across and you can see the part flying off. So I did manage to find the part. Here it is. It was trashed. I've got a photo. I think I'll try and pop the photo of it in the video. I was lucky that it wasn't written off by like another car, because it was at least out there for 3 or 4 hours, maybe even 5. I don't know. But I went back in the evening with my friend, walked along the side of the road, and it was there. So it was just had a few scratches on it. I took the old plasti dip off. I've just gone out and bought a brand new can of satin black peelable paint, or aka plasti dip, and we are now re-plasti dipping this piece of trim. You can see that part there, and my leg, that part there looks like it's bubbling, but it's not. That's where the chrome sort of warped, and it's pushed that part of chrome up there. It's done the same somewhere else, I can't quite remember. I think the plasti dip's covered it. This part there never wants to fill in. This part here never wants to fill in. Well, it is now. So yeah, I thought while I'm at it, I'll take the other one off, which is up here, and I'll give this another quick coat. The finish on this is actually quite nice. You know, it's not bad at all. So I'm impressed with that one. It doesn't really need going over again. So, but I'll do it anyway. But yeah, I really want to get this part finished, because I've been driving around with one silver, well, one chrome and one black, and it looks really bad. So redoing that one, which obviously came off the car and I found, I'm going to redo the other one as well while I'm at it. So that's that. That's the news about that. I did put it on my Snapchat. You can obviously follow me on Snapchat. My snap code will be at the end. I'll try and pop it if I remember. I'll try and pop my snap code in here somewhere. So if you guys want to scan it, you can follow me on Snapchat. Loads of stuff that go on in my normal life's on there. But yeah, other than that, the Mini's looking rather fresh. I'm not going to bother with redoing the back chrome, or the back black parts anyway. Don't think they need doing, and neither do the front ones because, well, the front grille, because I did them before I went to Mini at Home. So yeah, look, it doesn't want to fill in. I don't know why that is. I may give it a quick go over with the heat gun and try again. But yeah, that's that. Right, I think we're nearly done. I've got it hung up quite cleverly actually by going through one of the little hooks. You see, or the clips rather. I've done both sides now. The front's got about 6 coats on there. The back's probably only got about 3, but then again, I'm not really fussed about the back. I might put it back on the car in the morning actually, just to let it dry fully. And I've still got, how much of this? Probably still got about half a can left of Plasti Dip, so I'm not really fussed about that. But it's going like really dark now, so I can't show you now because it's like gone dark. But the ball actually did dent this part of the car, so I managed to pull this out. This part's like, I wouldn't say flimsy, but it pushed this part in so it wasn't flush against the bumper, but I managed to pull that out. That wasn't that bad. I like those side lights still. LEDs they are, Osram.
Girl, I know what you're thinking, seeing what you're feeling, what we're never gonna fall down, no, never gonna fall down. Oh, I hate it when I'm leaving, my lonely heart's beating for you, yeah.
Right, I'm back from Pets at Home. I couldn't film in there because, well, it's a bit awkward. Maybe in the future, like, I'll venture out into the public a bit more, but not at the moment. Yeah, Maggie, the dog, is going to love me. I mean, I'm probably her favourite person anyway, but look at this! It's just all dog treats and shit. Right, we need to get in the house. Ugh. Maggie, it's me! Ben, it's me! There's the right bloody... It's me! It's me! Hello! Get down! It's your birthday! Stop it! Maggie! Come on! For you! Yes, it is. More balls! No, you can't have that just yet. No! Look at you. Is it a bone? Is it a bone? Is it a bone? Is it for you? It's all for you. Is it for you? Go on. Right, that's that over. You don't need... Go and get it. Get it. Go on. Why do I bother? Bacon flavoured mini toasties. Do you want one of these? Huh? Do you want one of these? Yeah? Whew. Do you want one of them? Sit down, sit down, sit down. What? Right, Paul. Good girl. Sit, sit, high five. Good girl. Look at her. Not a bloody care in the world. Well, that's that gone. Leave it. Leave it. No, leave it. No. Leave it. Leave it. No. No. No.